Heart disease in men, the warning signs men ignore. Most men think heart disease shows up as sudden chest pain. But what if I told you one of the earliest warning signs can happen in the bedroom? This is Heart Awareness Month, and today I'm talking about heart disease in men and the signs men often miss and should be watching out for. So whether you are a man or not, you probably know one, a father, a son, a brother, a cousin, a friend, or even a neighbor. This is the topic you don't want to miss. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Nurse Master Charlie, and if you want to learn about nursing and health related topics, this is the type of information I present here. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out my numerous videos and topics on my YouTube channel and Instagram as well as TikTok. This is some general information that whether you are a nurse or wanting to become a nurse or just wanting to learn especially about heart disease related to men, then this is the video for you. So let's get to heart disease in men. Heart disease is the #1 killer of men in the United States. And the scary part is many men don't feel symptoms until the problem becomes serious. Men may experience chest pressure, shortness of breath, fatigue, pain in the arm, jaw, or back, nausea, or sweating. But sometimes the first sign is not what you expect. Let's talk about something most people don't connect to their heart: erectile dysfunction, or ED. ED isn't just a quality of life issue. It can be an early warning sign of poor blood flow. Here's why. The blood vessels in the penis are smaller than the ones in the heart. So if plaque or narrowing is starting, ED may show up years before a heart attack. In many cases, ED is one of the first red flags of cardiovascular disease. So if this is happening, it is not something to ignore or feel embarrassed about. It may be your heart asking for help. Now let's talk about testosterone. Many men hear about low T and assume testosterone therapy is automatically safe. But testosterone affects the cardiovascular system. Some research shows it may impact blood pressure, cholesterol levels, risk of clotting, and heart strain in certain individuals. Testosterone treatment should never be started without proper medical evaluation, especially if there's a history of heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, and sleep apnea. The bottom line is your hormones and your heart are connected. Always talk with a healthcare provider before starting supplements or therapy. Here's one of the biggest problems. Men wait too long to get help. Many men delay care because they think it's probably nothing. I'm too young. I don't want to seem weak. Or I'll deal with it later. But heart disease doesn't wait. Ignoring symptoms can turn a treatable problem into an emergency. Getting checked early is not weakness, it's strength. It's responsibility. It's prevention. So this Heart Awareness Month, here's the takeaway. Your heart doesn't always warn you with chest pain. Sometimes it warns you with fatigue, shortness of breath, or even erectile dysfunction. Listen to your body, get your blood pressure checked, know your cholesterol, and talk to your provider. Because the best heart attack is the one that never happens. Share this with the men in your life. It could save a life. And like I mentioned, heart disease is the #1 killer of men, but it doesn't have to be. Awareness is powerful. If you're a man, love a man, know a man, and care about a man and men's health, please share this video. You could help someone recognize the signs in time. Follow for more nurse-led health education. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other nursing and health related videos. Again, I am Nurse Master Charlie, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, God bless.